How to share screen on TikTok live stream. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on the plus icon on the bottom center of your screen and then tap on the live option you see there. Further, scroll through and you will see the option for mobile gaming. So switch to mobile gaming option you see there, and in the interface that you will then be led to, you will see the option for screen share. So simply tap on the screen share option you see there, and with this you will be able to share your screen. So this is how you can screen share on TikTok live screen. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.